How to add custom skin to Minecraft Bedrock. So first what you want to do is just simply open up your Minecraft, then just go to the dressing room right here. Now once you're here, just go to the left side here on the menu bar, then click on classic skins. And if you want to upload your own custom skin, just simply need to click on own skins right here and simply click on choose new skin. But if you haven't downloaded anything yet, just open up your browser and go to this website. So just simply go to this website called the Skindex or minecraftskins.com, and here there are tons of skins you could pick from. So you scroll down right here and pick any skin you want. Let's say I want like a Spider-Man skin, so just search for Spider-Man. Just wait for it to load, and as you can see, we have the Spider-Man skins right here. And let's say I want to use this one, just simply click on it. Just wait for it to load. Then just simply click on download here on the right side. And wait for it to load, then just click on save. Now once it's done, go back to Minecraft, click on choose new skin, and go to the downloads, click on the PNG file that we downloaded, click on open. As you can see, you have it right here. You can choose the correct model type for your skin. You could just simply pick anything that you want. So as you can see, it will automatically input the skin right there. Now, if you want to make your own skin, you just simply need to go to the menu icon here again and go to character creator, where you could just simply change the skin right here. But if you don't want to do that, you could just go back to classic skins and just choose the skin that you want right there. And as you can see, I am now currently using the Spider-Man skin that I've downloaded. And that's how you basically add your custom skin in Minecraft.